Layer 1 of the agent stack, the messages API and stop reason, the protocol everything else rides on. You send messages, you get a response. That's the protocol the whole stack rides on. Messages.create with a model, your messages, optionally some tools. Two things come back. The content, which can hold text or a tool use request, and highlighted here, stop reason, the model telling you why it stopped. That field is the truth. Burn this field into memory. Stop reason. Every control flow decision your agent makes should hang off this one field, not the prose. Anti-pattern. Reading the content prose, thanks all done, and ticking the done box. That's how production agents go feral. Never branch on prose, branch on stop reason. Pull wide. 6 documented values flow out of stop reason. Each one demands different handling. Let's walk them one by one. End turn, the model finished cleanly. Return the content to the user. Loop ends. Tool use, the big one. Run the tool the model asked for, append the tool result to your messages, and call the API again. Max tokens, the output was cut mid-thought. Continue the turn by calling again. Don't treat it as done. Stop sequence. Your custom stop token hit, a clean cut you asked for, handle it as a planned terminator. Pause turn, Anthropic paused a long-running turn server-side, not an error, a pause. You resume. Refusal. The model declined on safety grounds. Don't retry blindly, handle it gracefully and surface it to your user. First trap. As of March 2026, Anthropic enforces a server-side ceiling, roughly 20 tool calls per turn. Hit it and you get pause turn. Your agent loop must know to resume by sending the assistant's response back as the next request, not give up. Second trap. On Opus 4.7 and later, a refusal also includes a stop details object naming the policy category. Don't ignore it. The category tells you whether to retry with a softer prompt or surface a clear "this is blocked" to the user. Your switch statement needs a default branch. Anthropic could add a new value at any time, and your code shouldn't crash on values you've never seen. Watch the tool use arrow curve all the way back to messages.create. That loop, call, tool, append, call again, is the seed of the entire agent layer. We grow it in playlist of 3. 2 more branches loop back too, pause turn and max tokens. Thinner arrows, same shape. Call the API again with the assistant's response carried forward. Different reasons, same control flow. Layer 1 in one breath. Send messages, read stop reason, branch on the enum, and loop when the enum demands it. That's the whole protocol. A tool was mentioned, but a tool can't do anything yet. Next, layer 2, reach.